a year and a half ago, I had another concussion. And yeah, it knocks you down. And everything inside of you, and people tell you, you can't, you know, it's kind of over for you. And I'm saying this, meaning if you really want to do something, not always, but a lot of the times, if you try and you don't give up, you will do something. You might not be the greatest at whatever you do, but you can accomplish it. It takes work. It's hard. But if I can be doing this right now, and if you guys would have seen me, how far I've come, yeah. I don't even know how I'm an idiot. I don't know why I jumped, but hey. YOLO.
All right, he's ready for a stage moment, everybody. Look at this guy. Give it up.
Hey, what's your name?
Yeah.
What's your name? Hey, give it up for Bushin. These are the people that's going to make the next generation. We're all in this together. I love you guys. There's a God that loves you. We got this no matter what you're going through. You're all special. I am so blessed just to be here tonight and be in your presence. And I mean that. I'm not just saying it.
Hey, this song is for my daughter, Caroline. She's right there. Everybody point at her. She's going to kill me.
Yeah. We love y'all. Come say hey if we're around later on. We'd love to talk to you. You've been great, and there's a bunch of more great bands to play.
Y'all been amazing.